For homeowners in Nampa, maintaining a secure, energy-efficient, and visually appealing home is vital. One often overlooked aspect of home improvement is door replacement. Whether it's your front entry, patio, or interior doors, upgrading them can significantly impact your home's functionality and overall value. Here's why door replacement is essential for homeowners in Nampa and how it can benefit your home in multiple ways. Boost energy efficiency. Nampa's seasonal weather changes can take a toll on your energy bills, especially if your doors are outdated or poorly insulated. Old doors can allow drafts to seep in during the cold winters and let cool air escape during the hot summer months. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, driving up energy costs. Modern replacement doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. They feature insulated cores, tight weather stripping, and advanced materials like fiberglass, steel, and low-E glass inserts. These components help to prevent air leaks and maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing your energy consumption and saving you money on utility bills. Enhance home security. Your doors are your home's first line of defense, and if they're old or damaged, they may not provide the security you need. Worn-out locks, weak frames, and thin materials can make your home more vulnerable to intruders. Replacing your doors with modern options ensures greater peace of mind. New doors made from steel, reinforced wood, or fiberglass offer unmatched durability. Many also come with advanced locking mechanisms, such as multi-point locks and smart technology, to keep your family and property safe. Protect against harsh weather. Nampa homeowners are no strangers to extreme weather conditions, including wind, rain, and snow. Over time, older doors can warp, crack, or allow moisture to enter, leading to structural damage, mold growth, and decreased energy efficiency. High-quality replacement doors are built to withstand harsh conditions. Materials like fiberglass and steel are resistant to warping, rotting, and water damage, making them ideal for homes in Nampa's variable climate. Installing a durable, weather-resistant door will protect your home and help it stand strong for years to come. Increase curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and passers-by notice about your home. An outdated or worn-out door can detract from your property's overall appearance. Replacing your door is an easy and cost-effective way to enhance your home's curb appeal and make a strong first impression. Modern replacement doors come in a variety of materials, colors, and designs to suit any home style. Whether you prefer a timeless wooden door, a sleek modern look, or a decorative option with glass panels, upgrading your door can dramatically improve your home's exterior aesthetic. Add value to your home. Door replacement is a smart investment that offers one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, in home improvement projects. Prospective buyers in Nampa value homes with upgraded, energy-efficient, and secure doors. Not only do they improve the overall look of the home, but they also provide practical benefits such as improved security and energy savings. If you plan to sell your home in the future, installing new doors can make your property more appealing to buyers, helping you stand out in the competitive real estate market. Reduce noise pollution. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a main road, outside noise can disrupt the comfort of your home. Older doors may do little to block external sounds, while modern replacement doors are designed with superior soundproofing features. Insulated cores, multiple layers, and solid construction help reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment for you and your family. Low maintenance and longevity. Older doors, especially wood doors, require regular maintenance, including sanding, painting, and resealing to keep them functional and visually appealing. Over time, this upkeep can become both costly and time-consuming. Modern doors made from fiberglass, vinyl, or steel are designed to be low maintenance and long-lasting. They resist warping, fading, and rotting, even in Nampa's varied weather conditions. This means you can enjoy a beautiful and functional door without the constant upkeep. Better functionality. A door that sticks, creaks, or doesn't close properly can be frustrating to deal with daily. Over time, wear and tear can cause misalignment or damage, reducing the door's functionality. Replacing your doors ensures smooth operation, easy access, and a reliable seal against the elements. Upgrade your Nampa home with new doors. Replacing your doors is a crucial step for improving your Nampa home's energy efficiency, security, and overall appearance. With modern, durable, and stylish options available, new doors provide immediate benefits while adding long-term value to your property. If you're ready to upgrade your home, consult a professional door installation service in Nampa. They can help you choose the perfect doors to suit your style, needs, and budget while ensuring flawless installation. Invest in door replacement today to enhance your home's comfort, safety, and value for years to come.